we have finally sorted out our health. We know what we need to do to be healthy and to keep on persevering with whatever it is. We know our why, we've set up a routine, and we are now focused now on achieving financial growth. So, what are we going to talk about today? So, today, I'm going to talk about getting your finances organized. In just a minute, I'll be sharing with you things that you need to do today for you to start getting organized. Hello, if you've not met, my name is Gospel, and I help you find clarity in your goals and dreams, help you to achieve far much more than you could ever thought achieving if you had done it all by yourself. So you consider it kind of like your own personal co-pilot, helping you as you navigate your finances and get to financial freedom. So today, I figured that we talk about getting organized. So I've put in the description, getting organized. Now, what you'll need to do is basically to get certain paperwork ready. But in order to do that, I want you to get some folders ready. For this exercise, get 5 folders ready. For my clients, I normally say they should get 12, but for this one, we'll keep it nice and simple. We'll get 5 folders. Now, what are these folders? What are you going to do with them? You're going to label each of the folder. And this folder will contain things like your bank documents. Sorry if you see me looking there, it's because I'm looking at my notes. And to contain your bank documents, so your personal statements, the information about your bank account, things like that. Also, you get documents regarding your loans and debts. You get documents regarding your tax returns, investment records, birth certificates, death certificates, social security, and information. So those are the 5 folders, and you label them that way. So one for your bank statements, where you have your current account, checking account, whatever. And then another one for your loans, right? Any debts, if you've got debts in there. The third one is tax return. So all the information from the tax man, you put it there, you label it that. The fourth one is investment records. If you're invested, if you're in debt, I don't believe you should be invested, but we'll talk about that another point. The fifth one is your birth certificate, death certificate, marriage certificate, if you've got one. And you label them all that, like that. And then your social security, you label that. So the idea is we want to be organized because we don't want our documents everywhere because that keeps you frazzled, shall I say. You like, oh, I don't know what to do. Or it even puts you off dealing with your finances. Actually, most time, the reason why people are put off about looking at their finances is not so much about the numbers, it's the hassle of finding the paperwork. But because you are on a mission to have financial growth, you are doing things differently. So get those 5 folders ready, label them with what I have said, all the information I've included that, how you should label them, and then you sort it. Now store them somewhere safe. So you can put it in a wardrobe, not wardrobe, in a drawer or a cabinet. Yeah, you can put them all in there. Okay. So that is all that I share with you today. We have done so much so far. We've talked about the importance of our health, of having a routine, of exercising, right? We also focused on our why. Why are we on this mission to have financial growth? Let me know in the comment section below. So far, which of these have you started implementing and which is helping you and moving you forward? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for joining me and for watching. If you're watching me live, hey, I wish you would comment, then I can display your comment for anybody else to see. But if you're watching me on the replay, thank you so much for joining me and watching me on the replay. Comment and ask any questions that you've got. Just let me know in the comment section. I will answer your questions as soon as I can. Okay. Until next time, to your ongoing success, remember you are unique. There's only one person that is like you. What you've gone through, what you're thinking, everything else, somebody out there wants to hear from you because they're going to get you. They're going to get you. They might be hearing the same thing from zillions of people, but the way you say it, we resonate with them. So step up and step out there and share you because you are also and you are unique. So until next time, ciao.